Hello friends, welcome back to Kumudni's Home Garden. Winters are already here and Christmas is about to come. So everybody is planning to buy these kind of plants. This plant is called poinsettia and also known as Christmas plant. Why? Because though it is a perennial plant, but in winters it looks beautiful with its red, pink, and white and shaded leaves. And also because during Christmas time only the leaves become like this. The top leaves, they become absolutely red and with their full colors. Lower leaves are a green color and the upper leaves are beautiful colorful leaves. So friends, go ahead and buy these beautiful plants, but just keep a few things in your mind, and especially one important thing which I have described nicely in this video. I hope you like that and agree to that, and when you go to the nursery you don't do the same mistake which I have done. I bought 3 plants, 2 were very nice and with one I have done the mistake. So you don't do it, and let me explain what it is. ये देखिए फ्रेंड्स, ये है बास्केट और ये है रूट जो कि मेरे पोइनसेटिया में से निकली है। निकली क्या है, टूट गई है। और ये बास्केट्स को रिमूव करते टाइम ये जो अब ये देखिए, इसके छेद देखिए नीचे वाले, और ये इसकी रूट की थिकनेस देखिए। ये तो इसमें फंसी हुई थी, बिल्कुल एकदम फंस गई थी इसके नीचे की साइड में, और फिर भी नीचे की तरफ ये चल ही रही थी। कैसे चल रही थी आई डोंट नो, बट मैंने इसको अलग करने की कोशिश की है, क्योंकि इसको अलग अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो आपका प्लांट सिर्फ 1 ही साल चलेगा और थोड़े दिनों में रूट्स जो हैं सफोकेट होके मर जाती हैं। तो आई ट्राई टू रिमूव द बास्केट, और उसके साथ साथ कितना भी केयरफुली करो, ये बड़ी रूट थी और ये देखिए ये टूट गई है। सो मेरा जो आपको सजेशन है फ्रेंड्स, माई सिंसियर सजेशन इज दैट वाइल बाइंग द poinsettia plants, don't go for big plants, because all the poinsettia plants are planted in small plastic baskets, as I've just shown you. This one, you see this kind of plastic baskets, they are sown in, they are planted in these baskets. And if the plant is big, sometimes it becomes big just in the nursery only when nobody buys it, and out of its sheer charm we think that bigger plant will look better. We just go for the bigger plants, and when we come home and we change the soil and all, so what happens? We see these baskets, all poinsettia plants, all perennial plants are sown in these. So it's necessary to remove these. But if the plant is big, what happens? This happens, friends. This happens then. You see, this happens. So this is fatal for the plant. Plant might even die. But let's see, I have repotted it. You can see this red one, this one, this is quite big. When I bought it, it was quite big. Then I kept it for a month. I didn't get time to transplant it, और आज मैंने इसको transplant किया तो उसका रूट का ये हाल हो गया. So be careful when you are buying plants from the nursery. Just go for small ones like this or like this one, but don't go for such big ones. This ones. उसका रीज़न बहुत ही सिंपल है कि जब हम छोटे पौधे की बास्केट को कट करके निकालते हैं तो उसकी रूट्स छोटी ही होती हैं, इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती कि वो डैमेज हो जाए, और आराम से हम उसकी बास्केट को निकाल के अलग कर सकते हैं और उसको पौधे को दोबारा रीप्लांट कर सकते हैं. Whereas if you buy a big plant like I bought this one, what happens? While cutting the basket, you might even damage the roots. like I have damaged. I have all, this is one big root, the tap root is cut. I hope the plant survives, although the season is conducive, but I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. So friends, this was my advice to you. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share the video, because it might be beneficial to other people also. Okay friends, bye bye, happy gardening to you.